Okay, so now we've fixed the mortar joints in our fireplace. We've cleaned, we've vacuumed, we've wiped it down with a rag. Our fireplace is ready to be painted. And by looking at the fireplace, it still looks pretty dirty, but actually it's pretty clean. We've got all the loose materials out of there. And now we're going to paint it with this high quality, high temperature, high heat rated fire paint. And this is rated up to 1,000 degrees. So if you have a big fire in there, it's still going to discolor the paint a little bit. So probably once a season, you're going to have to repaint your fireplace if you want it to have that real dark black look to it all the time. Also, if you're wanting to resell your house, and I know people are afraid to use it, they want it to get discolored and they would lose the value of their house on it. But it's not the case. With this fire paint, and if you follow the steps that I've shown you, you can have your fireplace look like it was brand new, and nobody can even tell that you had a fire in there. So, and as far as the brush goes, don't go out and buy a really expensive brush. This brush is going to get messed up. It's not like you're painting trim. So just buy a moderate brush, even to cheap, because you're probably going to, my suggestion would be to just use this once and throw it away. So let's get started.